In this video, I will show you how you can create an Apple ID on your iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that your iPad is connected to the internet. And after you do that, then just open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Apple Account. And from here, just tap on Don't Have an Apple Account. Now, on this page, just select the range of your age. I'll select Adult. Now on this page, just enter your first name and your last name. Now after you enter your first and last name, then in this section just enter your date of birth. Just tap on Add and select your date of birth from here. After you select your date of birth, then tap on Continue, and in this section just create your Apple ID. Now after you create your Apple ID, then tap on Continue and select Create Email Address. Now in this section just create a password for your Apple ID. Now just make sure that your password must consist of at least 8 characters and it must include a number, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. After you create the password of your Apple ID, then in this section just enter your password one more time to confirm your password. Now after you confirm your password, then tap on Continue. Now in this section just enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number in this section, then just scroll down and select how you want to verify your phone number. You can either select text message or phone call. I will select the text message, then tap on Continue, and after you do that, now you receive a text message on the phone number which you have entered. Now after you receive the code, then just enter it into this section. Then tap on Continue, then tap on Continue, and select Agree. Then just tap on Continue. Now from here, just enter the passcode of the lock screen of your iPad. Now if your iPad is stuck in this process, then just go to your home screen and remove the settings from the background and open the settings back on your phone. And as you can see, this is how you can create an Apple ID on your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.